Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Muli. Today's date is 18th of October 2021 and today's discussion topic is a discussion about the recursive function, that is the recursion. So before starting our recursion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatray Mulik. I am from Kalam, district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagholi, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our today's discussion topic, that is the recursion. So if we talk about recursion and its meaning of that recursion, so recursion is a one type of technique in which the method is calling to itself. Means if there is one method and that method is repeatedly calling to itself, that's the meaning of that recursive function. If we talk about, or if we compare that recursion with the for loop, the recursion overcomes that for loop. Means that is the main use of that recursion function. So if we compare that recursive function with the loops, that is the for considering a for loop or while loop, like that. So in a for loop or while loop or do while loop, there is a three conditions are there. Means first one is the initialization, second one is the condition, and third one is the increment. Like that way, in case of the recursion, there is also a three cases. That is, the first one is the best case. Means it is the base case, and then base case means actually base case is a end. That is the up to how much time the recursive function will work. That is defined by the base case. And second one is the work towards base case. Means step by step work towards that base case. How to achieve that recursive function. And third one is the recursive call. Recursive call means the calling of method by itself. That's the main three cases of that recursive function. So if we talk about that recursion, the advantages of recursion or some of the disadvantages of the recursion. So if we talk about the recursion, so recursion reduces the code, that is the coding. The program length is reduced by using that recursion. So if we talk about that another advantage of that recursion, so recursion as I told now, that recursion reduces the code, means that some of the memory is also saved by that recursion. That's the main purpose of that recursion, and it overcomes the loop, the uses of the loop. That's all about that advantage of that recursion. So now we will see some of the real-time examples of that recursion function. So as said, if I will give a one real-time example in which the recursion meaning itself shows that meaning of that recursion. There is, if we search on Google recursion, then suppose if we search any recursion on Google, then that after searching that, after the end of that searching, there is one option is come, did you mean recursion? Then if you click on that recursion, then also again that word coming, that is the did you mean recursion. Means I don't know how it works at the back end, but the meaning of that searching of that recursion word is somewhat similar like that our today's discussion topic, that is the recursion. That's all about that recursion. Means if we talk about that example, means in which the recursion searching method is again calling to itself. That's the main of that recursion function. And now if we talk about our next real life example, that is, if we take a screenshot of that mobile and that screenshot is highlighted at the end, if we taken that, and then again we take that screenshot of that highlighting, and then again screenshot of that highlighting, like that way, it means the method is calling itself, means we will repeating our work like that way. That's the function of that recursion. That's all about that real life example of that recursion. So now we will discuss about that syntax of that recursion. Recursion in which the method is calling itself, means there is one method, that is the, suppose there is one access modifier, then return type, and then method name, in which we call that method again and again. Means in the block of that method we will call that method again through the name of that method. That's all about that recursion function. Means if you want to print high word form 10 times or more than 10 times, then we will call that printing method of that printing that high word, in which we will call that method again and again. That's the meaning of that recursion. Means the reusability of that method is increases through that recursion process, and execution of that execution time of that execution time of that calling of that method is also decreases. That's all about that recursion. Thank you.